Hi everyone, Bobby Witt with Bookkeeping Confidential here with you today. We are a full-service bookkeeping firm to help you bring profit to your business and eliminate the time and burden bookkeeping can be to somebody. So we're here to help you with that. And also today I want to talk to you about the management reports inside QuickBooks. Let me get my head out of the way. There we go. Okay, I'm in my sample data. Go over here to reports, then management reports. And they default to these. But you click on here, edit. And here you can see, moving out of the way, here you can see the cover page, table of contents, which that's going to automatically populate with what reports you choose to put in. Preliminary pages. If you are going to be submitting this to a partner and he wants to see how the company's going, or an investor that's interested in your company, or a small business loan, you want to title it here. And then you want to talk about your company finances and your goals and dreams. This is where you're going to select the report that you want included in your management report. You can also name it here. Add new report. Select from here. Accounts payable. You get to pick a time. Add new report. Accounts receivable. That's very important. So you get the gist of that. And then your end notes. So you can say set appointment. What did you think? Want to invest? Anything like that. Then you're going to go over here. Go all the way again. Save as. This is going to be your sample today. You may want to do different versions of this. X out. And there's our report. Go to view. Isn't that pretty? It's got nice graphics. Table of contents. As I told you, it would populate. There's the letter, goals and dreams. Your actual numbers. And these are the reports that you wanted included for your investor to see. And then your endnotes. Then you can either print it, you can save it, and when you close it, you can go back to the arrow, export as a PDF. And there you go. That's that. Very professional looking report. If you need help with this, let us know.